Hello everyone, this is Khaldun from Kanen Cafe. Today we're going to test this beautiful Pavoni Espresso machine. After I replaced this gasket for the heating element, it was leaking from the bottom. And then I replaced this thermostat. It's broken. And make tune-up for the machine, replace all the side glass kit, the group head gasket, these gaskets around the side glass, and these are for the group head, and this behind it. Let's go ahead and make an espresso shot on it. That looks a great shot. I put a bigger cup a little bit. And tasty. So let's get this steamer. That works great. Yeah, on the functions of this, I left the machine from last night. I fill it up with water, turn it off and on, and left it the whole night full of water to check if there is any leak list. And it was great. Thank you for watching.